In today's video, I'll show you how to create a debit note in Zoho Books step by step. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or just need a refresher, this guide will make the process quick and easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Zoho Books tips. Start by navigating to the Sales section on the left sidebar. Then click Invoices. From there, hit the plus new button and select Debit Note from the drop-down. This opens the Debit Note creation page. Next, fill in the customer details. Choose the date of the debit note and enter a unique reference number for tracking. Then add your line items. Include the quantity, rate, and any applicable taxes for each product or service. You can also add notes for extra context or details about the transaction. Once everything is filled out, save the debit note and it will be recorded in your Zoho Books account. This ensures your financial records stay accurate and organized. And that's it. You've successfully created a debit note in Zoho Books, keeping your accounting streamlined and efficient. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorials.